All right, in the prior episodes, we downloaded a Geotiff file with the Z coordinate embedded inside the photo we downloaded it from the USGS website, and we've kind of created a heat map style map. We imported the photo in ArcMap, and based on its elevation, created a heat map. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go in ArcScene and make it three-dimensional. We'll make a new scene, and again, we're going to add data. We're going to import that very same file from our desktop. And as you can see, it's been imported. Now we're going to give it a same heat map style by changing symbology. There. And now we're going to go to Properties, and under Base Height, we're going to float the surface based on its assigned Z value, and we're going to kind of exaggerate it by a lot, in this case 25 times, because Florida is relatively flat, comparatively speaking, so it won't show very well unless you really exaggerate it. So now that we've done that, we zoom in, kind of see the difference that it's made. So this is one method of visualizing Geotiff in a more three-dimensional and gamey kind of way.